Okay, having done all the drawings and presuming that we've got everything in the right position and we haven't made any mistakes, I would now like to protect this, because each of these individual little drawings is a separate drawing at the moment, and if I by mistake select something, I can accidentally delete. Now we're going to add the hands. The hands on a clock are physically separate thing. They're made of metal or plastic, and they're not part of the clock face. So in the case of the drawing, I actually want to have these as separate things as well, and that way I can animate the hand at a later date. So to protect the clock face, what I'm going to do is select everything. So if I click the select arrow and I click above and to the left and drag, I get a pink box that surrounds the whole thing, and then I let go and it selects everything on the screen. Now I don't want the central part to be selected, so while that's selected, I'm going to hold my shift key and then I'm going to drag and select the middle part, so that I've deselected the parts in the middle, because I'm going to be using them for the hands. So while all those external parts are selected in pink, what I need to do is group them. So the easiest way to do that is to go Control and G on your keyboard. But you can also click in the Edit menu, Edit, scroll down to where it says Group. Now because I've already grouped it, it's asking me if I want to ungroup. If you haven't grouped it, you can select Group, and it also tells you Control G. So now those things are selected. When I now select anything on the screen, it selects the whole clock except that middle part, which is a separate object now.